Hello friends, I am Hussein Laghari. As you know, we are delivering classes on regular basis, and today we have conducted two classes, and it's third class, and it's on the active voice and passive voice. It's English class, and Miss Shamila is here. She has to deliver her lecture. I would like to ask Miss Shamila to start her lecture. Miss Shamila, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So let's start the lecture.
Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum everyone else, and I hope that everybody is fine. So today we are going to start active and passive voice, and this is our fifth lecture. As you do remember that before starting, there are few things which you need to keep it in your mind. That whenever we are going to use the active sentences, what does it mean? Active sentences means that most probably you will have to focus on the subject. On the other hand, the passive voice, we are not bothering the subject, we will have to focus on the things already has been done, means on object. So let me see what we are going to learn here. Okay, now active and passive voice. So what definitions are coming in your mind? Let me see. In active voice, in active sentence, the subject performs the action, the verbs to the object. On the other hand, if we were talking about the passive sentences, passive voice, in a passive sentence, the thing that would normally be the object gets turned into the subject through the use of passive from the verb. They often include a prepositional phrase starting with by. How come? A simple sentence I am going to tell you. For example, she eats an apple. So here we are not focused on what she has eaten or what she is eating. The focus is who is eating. So it is written here she. So she can be your active voice. On the other hand, if you will have to focus on what has been eaten, so that the sentence can be passive voice. An apple is eaten by her. So identifying the parts of sentences to be able to recognize and use active and passive voice, you must be able to identify the parts of sentence. In the following sentences, identify the subject as an action and the verb as an object. Let me see, the plane is boarded by the family. The damage was caused by the storm. Isaac threw a ball at the window. The magician pulled a rabbit from the hat. Helen practiced her recorder every day. The flowers were grown by my nan. Now, if you will focus on the different sentences, you will see is written, was is written, through, second form is written. So one by one, we are discussing every sentence. You can see beta here it is written the plan is boarded by the family. So this is a passive sentence. One of the passive voice sentence identification is that it is written by, and secondly is MR has been written. If you will convert it into simple present tense, so the sentence can be the family boards the plan. Simple present tense. On the other hand, in simple past tense, what do we have to do? We will have to use subject plus verb second form. But whenever we will convert it into passive voice, so that we will have to use was and were and third form of verb. And do remember always that you should have to use third form in every passive sentence. In every passive sentence, third form must come. So the damage was caused by the storm. What will be the active sentence? The storm caused the damage. Isaac threw a ball at the window. This is the active sentence. Threw is second form of verb, belongs to simple past tense. So a ball was thrown by Isaac at the window. The magician pulled a rabbit from the hat. Again, this is active sentence, and active sentence change into passive ones. So how do we do? A rabbit was pulled by the magician from the hat. Whenever, better do remember, extra information has been written, so that extra information we can write down at the end of the sentence. Helen practiced her recorder every day. So this sentence belongs to again past tense, simple past tense. So she, what do we have to write? She was practiced by Helen. She was practiced by Helen recorder every day, or she was practiced recorder every day by Helen. Both sentences are correct. The flowers were grown by my nan. This is passive sentence. Was and were has been written. So what will be the active sentence? My nan grew. Grew. My nan grew the flowers. Clear? Now we are moving on next sentence. As we have already discussed in previously, and then some passive sentence change into active and active change into passive, so that you will have to see active sentence all first of all, and then passive sentences. In active sentences, the magician pulled a rabbit from the hat. Isaac threw a ball at the window. Helen practiced her recorder every day. On the other hand, if passive sentences, what we have written here, the plane is boarded by the family. The damage was caused by the storm. The flowers were grown by my nan. So this sentence belongs to active voice, right? So you must know how to identify active sentence into passive. What we are going to do, you will have to choose a square, reveal a picture, write and sentence about the picture. So you should keep a pen or a diary with you, and over there you may start writing the sentence according to the picture. You may do remember either according to the picture the sentence is active or the sentence is passive. G. What you are going to write here? One by one I am opening the pictures so that you will do practice. Either active sentence will come or passive sentence will come. Think about it and start making. For example, we will take the example of dog. Dog is eating a bone. So how you will make the sentence? The dog eats a bone, or the dog is eating a bone. On the other hand, the lion is running, or the lion is walking. The girl is reading a book. The children are playing games. So that according to the picture, you can make active or passive sentences both. Changing in sentence. See, it is possible to change a sentence from active to passive voice or from passive to active voice. It is important that you do not change the tense of sentence, have a go at alerting these sentences. One by one, we are discussing all on the plan. The lioness chased an antelope. So that we will have to find out if any phrase is written. Phrase we can write down at the end of the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence. It depends on the nature of the sentence, or it depends on us either what we are going to write. So as it is, we will copy down if the phrase has been written. So we will write on the plan, an antelope was chased by the lioness. Second sentence has been written, Harry ate sandwiches for lunch. Belongs to a simple past tense. So simple past tense, what do we have to use? Was and were. So sandwiches were eaten by Harry for lunch. Number 3, carrot. The carrots are always eaten by my brother. So this belongs to passive voice sentence. It will change into an active sentence. My brother always eats the carrots. Now you will see here the passive sentences. What do you notice about them? The jewelry was stolen. Okay. The bicycle was ridden. The present was opened. So you will see here they all have a subject and an action, but none of them have an object. Sometimes the prepositional by phrase can be removed and the sentence will make sense. You just won't know who, what performed the verb. It happens in the sentence whenever these type of sentences will come, so that over there we will have to use indefinite pronoun, which we have already discussed yesterday. So there, what do we have to use in indefinite pronoun? That we will have to use anybody, somebody, nobody, everybody, or everyone. They all have a subject and action, but none of them have an object. Sometimes the prepositional by phrase can be removed and the sentence will still make sense. You just won't know who, what performed the verb. Now let me see the passive sentence. One by one you will see the picture. How do we change them into either active sentence you can also make according to the picture, but passive can be easy for you to make. You can see. There are many pictures. By using this picture, by looking at this picture, you may write down the sentences. The elephants are being walked by somebody else, or no need to write down by somebody else. We can also omit or stop the sentence. On the other hand, the girls have been completed the work. The pizza is eaten by somebody. The cat was left by itself. And there are many more sentences. Now what we will have to do, we will going to write down the description of these photos in the active voice. You can see the picture what the children are doing. They are climbing somewhere else, they are enjoying there, or what. So here we can make the sentence, the children enjoyed climbing during their school camp. Active sentence. On the other hand, you will see another picture what the students or the children are doing. They spend the day kayaking down the river. So both sentences are belong to past tense, simple past tense. Enjoyed is written and over there spent has been written. Now we are going to discuss passive sentence. So description of passive sentence. The cupcakes are there. So tasty cupcakes were baked by my aunt for my birthday party. Next, the water balloons were blown up by my brother for the water fight. So it is not necessary that if the sentences are there, so accordingly you will have to change. If the pictures have been given and according to the picture, you can easily make active and passive sentences. So, which sentence is written in passive sentence? Kyra played for the netball. So this belongs to simple past tense, and simple past tense identification, you know, there would be no helping verb, only second form has been written after subject. Second sentence you can see, the tasty meal was cooked by my mom. By is written and then helping verb has been written with third form. So this sentence belongs to passive voice. Next, my little brother always wakes up early. My little brother always wakes up early. So here what do we have to do? You will see always is your adverb and then wax has been written. So which means that this sentence belongs to simple present tense. Next, I am lucky to be going on holiday to France with my best friend's family. So here again, this is the active sentence. No by is written, no third form has been given. But this sentence we will say that belong to the passive voice. How come? Do remember whenever we are using to be, so it means that we will have to make the passive sentence. And here in a sentence it is written to be. It can be a present tense, but to be means to be is the identification of passive sentences. Now what you will have to do here, you will have to underline the object. Object in the form of the adverb. Object can also be in the form of adjective. So I climbed the tallest tree in the park yesterday. So tallest is written and tallest means tallest tree. Obviously it is showing that adjective is there, but here it shows the object. The full part is called the object. In next one, the class boarded the coach noisily to go on their trip to London. Either the sentence is written in past tense, the class boarded. So resting of the part from the couch is your object. Next is we eat our lunch on the field in the summer. So lunch is from lunch. The remaining part of the sentence is your object, and this sentence belongs to simple present tense. Now rewrite the sentences in the passive voice. So Gina visited the library regularly. Now think about it, the sentence belongs to which sentence? Gina visited the library regularly. The library was visited by Gina regularly. Visited is written, which means that simple past tense, and simple past tense we need to use was and were. Next sentence is my family always eat turkey for Christmas Day. So eat is written, which means the sentence belongs to simple present tense. If the sentence belongs to simple present tense, so that we need to use is MR. Turkey is always eaten by my family always eat turkey for Christmas dinner. So this can be changed into turkey is always eaten by my family for Christmas dinner. The lazy girl ignored her alarm clock. Simple past tense, so the alarm clock was ignored by the lazy girl. Now next is, come on the board. So we are going to discuss one by one all the tense. If you will talk about present continuous tense, so what you will have to do? You will have to use inactive sentence, subject, then is, am, are, then fourth form of verb will come. But on the other hand, if it will change into passive voice, so that you will have to write down object, is, am, are, then being, then verb third form will come. For example, if the same sentence we are going to change in present continuous tense, the plane is boarding. So what do we have to write? Somebody is being boarded the plane. So do remember, always in continuous sentence, we always use being in passive sentences. If we will talk about present perfect tense, so you do remember in present perfect tense, what do we have to do? We will have to use has and have and third form of verb. Has and have with third form of verb. So whenever we are going to convert them into passive voice, we will have to use has and have and been and then third form of verb. Right? For example, it is written, Ishaq threw a ball at the window. So we are changing it into present perfect tense. Ishaq has thrown a ball at the window. So it can be changed into a ball has been thrown by Ishaq at the window. See here, present perfect. So there is an example of present perfect, that Ishaq has thrown the ball. Simple sentence. But when we are going to convert it into passive voice, what do we have to do? We will write down the ball has been. As it is third form, we will use thrown by Ishaq. We will not bring any change in name. Next is, if we will talk about simple past, we have already discussed. After simple past, we are going to discuss past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, the sentence can be she was participating or completing the assignment. This is active voice. So whenever we will convert it into passive voice, so what do we have to do? We will use here being with third form of verb. How? The assignment was being, we will have to add being completed by her. This sentence belongs to passive voice. After this, we are going to discuss past perfect tense. So in past perfect, what do we do? Here, as a helping verb, we will use only had. Active sentence, and on the other hand, same we will have to use been. So the sentence can be Ishaq had thrown the ball will change into the ball had been thrown by Ishaq. Now next is simple future tense. In simple future, what do we have to do? Simple future. Here we will have to use will with first form of verb. For example, he will join the multinational company. Or they will organize they will organize the seminar. So in passive sentence, how do we will change the seminar? The seminar will be organized by them. So do remember, whenever we will use simple future tense, so that we will have to use will, be, and then third form of verb. After this, we are going to discuss future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Here, what do? We will use will be. I will be cleaning the cupboard. It will change into passive. The cupboard will be cleaned by I change into me. On the other hand, future perfect. In future perfect, what do? We will use will, have, and third form of verb. So the sentence can be they will have arranged a party. Right? So whenever we are going to convert it into passive voice, what do? We will use a party will have been arranged by them. So this is very much clear to you. Now we are going to discuss about imperative sentences. How imperative sentences will change into passive voice. Imperative sentences. Yes. What do we do with the imperative sentences? As we have already discussed, what are imperative sentences? Give order, request, or whatever. So these sentences can be changed into by using let. For example, close the door. So we will have to use let. After let, we will use the door Then we will use be and then closed. So this can be the passive sentence of imperative sentence. Next is complete the test. So the sentence can be let the test be completed. Let the test be completed. Now we are going to discuss about modal auxiliary verb. In modal auxiliary verb, what do we do? Modal auxiliary verb. In modal auxiliary verb, we will use must, should, would, may, or might. What do we do? We use they must join the class. But whenever we will convert it into passive voice, what do? We will use the class must be, we will use be and then third form of verb, joined by them. Next sentence, we are using should. So the sentence can be she should clean the room. So whenever we will convert it into passive voice, we will use after modal auxiliary verb should, then be, then third form of verb. How? The room should be cleaned by her. Now next sentence is would. So would, the same we will use. For example, they would join the class. And then we can write down the class would be joined by them. Now we are discussing may or might. May or might we will use whenever there is not clarity. Okay, so that we will have to use may or might. How do we change it into sentences? You may help him. Active voice, passive voice, he may be helped by you. This is passive voice. Now, how do we use might in a sentence? Very easy. Again, we will choose any subject. The subject is he. Now, model auxiliary verb we will use. He might start the lecture, right? Lecture. So whenever we are going to convert it into passive voice, what do we do? Again, we will use might, then be, then third form of verb. How? You can see here, the lecture might be started by him. So this is overall practice of active and passive voice. Either you are going to change the negative sentence or question sentence so that you do remember after helping verb. After helping verb, you always do remember you will have to use not. For example, I am writing here, she is attempting the papers. So the sentence is, she is not attempting the papers. Negative sentence. So how do we change into passive voice? The papers are not being attempted by her, right? So she is not attempting the papers are not being attempted by her. But if the same question we are going to convert it into a question, what do we do? Questions. So in question, the sentence can be, is she attempting the papers? Question mark. So the answer can be, are the papers being attempted by her? Then at the end, question mark will come. So these are the some rules which we will have to follow. If we will not follow these rules, so that we are unable to change the sentences. Now, if you are having any query regarding active and passive voice, any sentence formation you are having a problem, so that you will ask, and then I will let me clear to you. Now in all tenses except present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous tense, you will have to leave, because these tenses will not come in voices, but instead of these three sentences, all sentences will have been changed. I am repeating one more time as a quick review. If we will choose simple present tense, so in passive voice we will use was and verb with third form of verb. Present continuous tense, in passive voice we will use being. and then third form of verb is MR, being, and then verb third form. On the other hand, present perfect tense, so what do we have to use? Has and have, then been will come, B-E-E-N, been, and then third form of verb. If simple past I am talking about, in simple past we will use was and were and third form of verb. Next is past continuous tense, so that we will have to use was and were, being, and then third form of verb. Past perfect sentence, in passive voice, we will have to use had, been, and then third form of verb. In simple future, we will have to use will, be, and then third form of verb. Future continuous tense, will, be, being, and then third form of verb. In future perfect tense, we will have to use will, have, been, and then third form of verb. There are many more exercises which can be helpful for you. You should do it by yourself. If any query regarding this, so that you may ask at any time in next class, so that I will be clear it to you. Your class is up now. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.